This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, January 11th. Stock index futures were higher in the overnight trade, but quickly declined when the U.S. 730 economic reports were released. We had the consumer price index coming in up 0.3%. That compares to the estimate of up 0.2%. And on an annualized basis, the CPI was up 3.4% against the gain of 3.2% as what was predicted. Also, jobless claims coming in on the lower end at 202,000 when 209,000 were anticipated. So in theory, this would suggest that the Fed may be a bit less accommodative this year with these reports coming in a little bit stronger. Overall, though, the fundamentals and technicals still appear to be supportive to stock index futures. I think there's a good chance we will see some recovery later today from these lower levels in the indices. Currency markets, the dollar index advanced due to the two bullish reports this morning, but it is likely that a lot of these gains will be given back later today. Still thinking that the main trend is lower for the dollar index. And on the interest rate futures markets, some supply with the Treasury auctioning 30-year bonds today. Also, we had comments this week from a couple of Fed officials indicating that we need to see inflation coming down a little bit more closer to the Fed's 2% target before the Fed can start thinking about cutting rates. Also, at the upcoming FOMC meeting, right now it looks like there's only a 3% chance that the Fed will be cutting rates at the January 31st meeting and a 97% probability of no change. Longer term, though, it still appears that the interest rate futures markets are headed higher, since the Fed, to one degree or another, will probably become accommodative this year. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.